Hi there, in this video I am going to show you how to install the Rank Math SEO plugin on your WordPress website and complete its basic setup wizard. Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so you never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, open your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, go to Plugins, click Add New. Now in the search bar type Rank Math SEO. You will see the Rank Math SEO plugin with 3 million plus active installations. It's fully compatible with WordPress, and the best part is its free version is very powerful and perfect for most websites. Click install now, and once installed, click activate. As soon as you activate the plugin, you will see an option to connect your Google account. Here simply enable tracking and click on connect your account. Now log in using any Gmail. After login, click continue and then click activate plugin. Now Rank Math will ask for some basic details. First of all, select easy mode. This is perfect for beginners. Then click on start wizard. Here select your website type, for example blog, online store, portfolio and so and so. Next enter your website name. You can also add an alternative name if you want. If you have a logo, upload it here. After that click save and continue. On the next screen again click connect and log in with the same Gmail account you used earlier. Now you will see multiple options. Simply select all. These options help Rank Math optimize your website better. Click continue. Here Rank Math gives you the option to connect Google Search Console, Google Analytics and Google AdSense. Now why is this useful? Because connecting these helps you track website performance, keywords, traffic and SEO data directly inside WordPress. But for now we will leave these as it is. So just click save and continue. On the final screen, enable auto updates. These ensure your SEO plugin stays updated and secure automatically. Now click return to dashboard and that's it. Your Rank Math SEO basic setup is complete. So this was the basic and correct setup of Rank Math SEO plugin for WordPress. In the next video, I will show you how to optimize posts and pages using Rank Math so your content rank higher on Google.